Okay, so last time we have discussed about put away strategy, right? In that, we have checked the sequence, right? Let me share my screen.
हेलो
Hello, yep, can you hear me?
सर एक सेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम एक डाउट सेशन रखा तो अच्छा होगा सर
Already we are हमारा स्पीड बहुत
डाउट
कम
सेशन
है
मींस
then
सर
that I checked your issue. Actually, it's not an issue. Okay, if you
इश्यू
remember,
नहीं सर
yeah,
तो क्या
so
होता है
it is
सर
like, yeah, okay. So if you follow all the steps, right, which we have discussed during the session, right, then you will not face any issue, any error as such.
ओके तो क्या है
Okay,
सर
then
आगे आगे निकल जाते हैं ना तो भी वो नंबर रेंज जो है जो आपने मुझे
yeah,
मैसेज भी किया
number range. Yes, so number range, if you remember, we have discussed on I guess day 2, day 3
ये सर
only, right?
मैंने वो फॉलो किया है पूरा और मैंने मेंटेन भी किया था पर ऐसा होता है कि डिलीट हो जाता है ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या इसलिए मैंने पूछा
No,
बाकी
yeah, unless and until someone deleted deliberately, then only. Because it's a test system, I mean, like it's open system, right? Anyone can do anything, right? It's a demo system. So yeah, वो एक issue है कि like कोई
हाँ
भी
हाँ
आके कुछ भी कर सकता है. That the reason मैंने बताया था कि कौन सा number लेना है warehouse का. Because normally what people do, right? People go with some word, right? With their initial or like with their month, something like that,
हाँ
right?
हाँ
If you check, right? See, A to Z, right? But whereas if you check the number, right, are less. Okay.
ओके सर
Doubt session regular basis
मतलब
पे
एक
रखना will difficult, right? That the reason मैंने बताया था कि like if you have any question, you know, it's mentioned in
हाँ सर
WhatsApp,
पर कभी कभी क्या
right?
होता है कि ट्राई करते समझ में नहीं आता है पिछली बार हुआ था मेरा ऐसा इसलिए बोला मैंने आउट
No,
सेशन
no.
मतलब बहुत
So
लंबा
no,
नहीं
no,
सर
no.
एक
वही
बात
नहीं वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि on that time only, okay.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Just message me means in that chat. क्योंकि आपने जब जब मैसेज किया है सो ये थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया बट रिप्लाई तो आपको किया है
यस
राइट
यस
सेम डे
आया
में. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग लाइक दैट? क्योंकि क्या होगा फॉर एग्जांपल वीकेंड है, ओके, और आपने पूरा प्लान बनाया कि ये सैटरडे संडे मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगा, राइट?
हाँ
एंड देन सैटरडे यू फेस एनी इशू, एनी एरर, राइट? एंड देयर इज वेरी इजी टू गिव अप की ओके लेट्स डिस्कस ऑन मंडे, देन ये इशू आ रहा है तो,
हाँ हाँ
राइट? देन सैटरडे चला जाएगा, संडे चला जाएगा,
वो
राइट?
भी
विल
है
वेट अंटिल मंडे, राइट? मंडे दैट टू इन इवनिंग, राइट? तो आपका बट ऑलमोस्ट 2 दिन तो गए, राइट?
यस यस
दैट द रीजन.
ओके सर कोई बात
ओके, so any 10 that, yes, Santosh, is this Santosh? Okay, no. Okay, so we have checked in-house system determine the weight, right? Means like system check one by one, right? And if there is no available weight, right, in this bin, then it will go for the next sequence. Now, for example, what we'll do slash scwm slash ls 11 ls10, oh sorry, ls11. Okay, go to the RK10. So I just want to create one scenario where system is not able to find any bin in RK10, right? How we can do that? Just with the weight, right? If you check the weight, it's currently 99999, right? So what I will do, so with this ls11, right, you can change the weight in mass. Select all, click over here, then edit. Right here you can maintain the weight. Let's say max weight 2 kg. Okay, only 2 kg. Select OK and then save it. Okay, now the maximum weight capacity for this bean is only 2 kg. Okay, and I guess the material weight is around 5 kg. Okay, so we'll try to do the put away. Let's see what system will do. We'll select and create. So see how much time system is taking to determine the bean. Okay, so system is going for RK30, right? How? If you check the log, right? So first of all, the sequence get trigger RK, search sequence in that RK10, right? Then the weight which we are receiving is just it's 15 kg, right? But the weight of all the bean, right, is 2 kg, right? But still system check all the bean, see all the bean in RK10, right? And at the end, after checking all the bean in RK10, system found that okay, there is no any bean in which I can do the put away. So let's go for the next sequence, which is RK30. Okay, RK30. And in that we have 0 9 means almost like there is no any capacity. That the reason system is going with this bean. Clear? Hello? Hello, is this clear?
Yes,
Am
sir.
I
Yes.
audible? Okay. Now in real time, right? In real time, this will create a performance issue. Okay, why performance issue? If system is taking that much of time to determine bean every time, right? Because normally in real time we may have 50 or 60 material line item, right? This line in one delivery, and then bean. So here I guess around only 100 and 200 bean, right? But in real time they will have like around 10,000, 5,000 bean in 4 digit, right? If system is going one by one and checking the weight capacity, what will happen? It will for one delivery may take around to 5 to 10 minutes just to determine the bean, right? So how we can speed up? How we can? So we are okay with this bean. So this is fine, but how we can speed up the time? Right? Speed up means so instead of going all the bean one by one, how we can just minimize this search? Okay. So for that we do have something called in the storage type. If you go to the master data storage type, if you go to the RK10, okay, so there is something called early capacity check. Okay, I will take this early capacity check. Now, if you remember, we have checked something called bean type in master data only, storage bean type, right? In bean type, what we have maintained? We have maintained the weight, right? The maximum weight, right? So with the, let's say if you want to, system should check the bean type, right? We have to assign this bean type to the bean. So if I will again go to the mass change, select all the bean, click on edit. Now here I will assign the storage bean type, save it. Now the weight capacity is 10 kg, but still is less, right? Because the material which we are receiving is 15 kg, right? And then now the weight is 10 kg, right? So I will not save it. Now if you check again, see the time, right? It's almost 60-70% less. If you check the log, in log you will see the scroll button is not that small, right? System not check all the bin. Okay, why? Because with early capacity check, okay, with the early capacity check which we have activated at storage type level, okay, with this early capacity check, right? What system will do? System will check the bin type, right? If you check over here, see capacity check against bin type 10 kg. Now system is aware that okay, the weight, the allowed weight or maximum weight for this bin type is only 10 kg, and what we are receiving is 15 kg. So obviously we cannot do the put away in RK10. So let's go for RK30, which is next storage type as per the sequence. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So mandatory thing in this that you should tick early capacity check and also the bin type. Sachin, clear? And Ashok,
Yes.
okay. Now, sometime what happened? So 10 kg is there, right? Now, why system is going for the arcade 10? Because system tried to do the put away for all the three pieces in one bin. All three pieces in one bin. And sometime business will say that okay, it is okay that as per the bin capacity, right? We are okay to split the quantity. Means one piece in one bin and two piece in another bin. So we are also okay for that, right? So for that, what we have to do? So I will not save it this task, same task. Okay, I will go to the storage type setting again, and here you can see split during put away. Okay, so here we'll go with one split during put away and then save it. Okay, I will remove this early capacity check. Okay, now again try to create the task. See, if you check the quantity, so in bin 100102 dash C, right, in that we can store two pieces, and now there is only one piece remain, so that's why it's going for in another bin. Bin split will activate it like as per the bin capacity, then system will try to complete the put away. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Okay, then so what I will do, I will deactivate the split during put away. Okay, save it. Now, so if you observe one thing, obviously every time system determine the bin, which is mandatory, right? Which is mandatory. Sometime what happen? This is all scenario. Okay, just try to understand as like a storyline, right? Then then it will be very easy. Okay. Sometime what happen? This is the storage type. Okay, this is already full. Okay, and then business still want to store some material. So what business will say that okay, so this storage type, right? So system should only identify the storage type. System should not identify the correct bin as per the capacity. So it's up to the user in which bin they will store the material. maybe here, here, or in this bin, any other bin, right? So in this case, what we can do, go to the again storage type setting, right? Then over here we have this wt generic. Okay, so here, so currently we are only checking with the storage type, right? Not section. So for section also we have determination setup logic, right? Same like storage type. So that we are going to check after this, right? So if I select only storage type, so currently it's blank, means no generic, right? But if I maintain two and save it, now what will happen? Not close this, create the task again. So see, no bin number. Okay, without any bin, we can do the put away. Sorry, we can create the task, right? Now it's like, okay, task is created. So user will pick that material, let's say this one, and now user is checking, okay, in which bin I can complete the put away. Maybe let's say here, right? Then while doing confirmation, okay, so same task, if I try to confirm, right? If I directly try to confirm it, it give me the error, right? Why? Because there is no any bin, see, no destination location. So click over here, form view, okay, click then foreground, and then over here we have to maintain the bin number, okay, clear? What I will do, I will just change one capacity for one bin, for random bin. I will just reset this, okay, save it. So we can, increase the capacity of that bin, and then we can do the put away. Okay, let's say 100 kg. So user will say that, okay, in this bin, I want to do the put away. Okay, enter the bin number and then now confirm. Clear?
Okay, sir. Clear.
Sachin?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now same setting, not setting, the strategy, right? So I will just remove this WM generic, save it. So same logic we also available is also available in storage section. So first of all, we need to check the section are created or not. So any 10. Okay, so no section is available. So what I will do, I will create quickly, for RK10, let's say A, it is for A class material. Any 10, again in RK10, B class material. Okay. Then close this, go to the good receipt process. Okay. Strategy, section search. Okay. Then the indicator. So here we have created the section. Okay. So this is the section and this is the indicator. Both are different. Okay. So this section we maintain in bin. Okay. And this indicator we maintain in the product. Okay. In mat1. Okay. So again, I will go to the section indicator. Here we'll create indicator. Let's say again A stand for A class. Okay. B stand for B class. Okay, A class and B class. Now, again, we have to maintain the search sequence. Means, okay, any 10. So for RK10, okay, whenever the indicator is A, okay, it should go in A class bin. Okay, if there is no any bin available with section A, then what will happen? Means there is no any bin, so we can go with B. It's in warehouse. So this ground floor, let's say, is A section and this is B section. So system will try to find a bin, this one, A bin. If there is no any bin with section A, then it will try to search the bin with the B section. Okay. See the sequence number, same like put away strategy. Okay. Save it. Then it's mandatory to activate the section check. Okay, so this table and the storage type table is the same. So in the storage type also, like, we have one option, storage section. So this is the same table. If you go here, it's locked by this ID, no problem. So whenever you receive this kind of pop-up window, okay, just execute SM12, okay, then enter that ID, search, select all, and then just delete. Okay, now close this. Go back to the section. So select no first, and then again you open it. Okay. Now if you search for warehouse, market 10. So it say no section check. Just change it to X. Okay. Determine and check. Okay. Save it. Now, first of all, we have to change the weight, right? So what I will do, I will just change it. The bean type, let's say 200 kg for all. Okay. The first activity. Then, okay, it's locked. So maybe okay, no problem. So let's say for this bean, I will assign the section, which is section A. Okay, this is a section, but determination will happen with the indicator, right? Section is assigned for indicator. As I told you, go to the mat1 product master, right? Any 10. So this material, let's check. But yeah, that is on pallet, I guess. So let's create new delivery slash OVL 31N. Okay, so I will go to piece, save it. Now go back to the delivery. So for 20, right, go to the product master, change mode. Now go to the warehouse data, right, and okay, it's PL. So let's go for no. Okay, let me check which is going for RK. I guess it's this one only. Let's check once. 20 only, right? Yeah, this one only. So the change mode, right? Here, if you check the section, storage section indicator, okay. So I will maintain A. So we have maintained A is equal to A. If there is no any bin A, then it should go for B, right? Like that. And then we have only one bin, this one in which we have section A, right? Now if you try to do the put away, see A, that bin 100104B. If you check 100104B, okay, clear? Then what about B? So what I will do, same delivery, not save it. Now I want to create scenario where we don't have A section. So if I reset this, reset the section. Okay, now there is no any bin with neither with A, neither with B. Right, there is no any section. See, this entry is blank. Okay, now if I try to do the put away, what system will do? Because for RK10 the section is activated, right? And there is no any section, means system will take, okay, there is no any empty bin or any bin is available, right, for put away, right? And if you try to create, it will go for RK30. See, right? Why? Because section we have activated for the storage type, but there is no any section maintained. Okay, that's the reason. Again, if I randomly select any bin, and for that if I maintain section as B, which is second scenario, right? Second sequence. If there is no any bin with A, then it should go for B, right? So bin number is 1010C. Let's activate for this. Okay, why it is? Yeah. Okay. So let's try to do the put away. See, it's going for that B. Clear?
हेलो
Yes, Shubham.
सर, मतलब हमने ए सेक्शन और बी सेक्शन बनाए, उसमें दो सिनेरियो ऐसे देखे कि ए सेक्शन अगर असाइन किया है तो ए को ही जाएगा, अगर ए सेक्शन नहीं है अवेलेबल तो बी को जाएगा, राइट?
Yes.
ओके। सर, आपने वहां पर बी सेक्शन असाइन किया था ना अभी तो?
Yes, yes. So no, what happened? मुझे लगा assign नहीं हुआ, so that's why I just re-execute the transaction just to refresh the screen.
नहीं सर, मतलब यहाँ पर आपने डायरेक्टली बी सेक्शन असाइन किया है, सो वो ए सेक्शन क्यों सर्च करेगा?
Because as per the sequence, right? As the sequence say
ओके
first
ओके
check
ओके।
A and then B. That's the reason.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके।
Clear, Sachin?
Yes, sir.
Then same setting we have B for the bean type also, right? Same setting, exactly same. Only there is no any activation is required. So I will just remove this activation for section check, so it will not create any confusion. Okay. So now section check is not activated. So if you just go to the bean determination, so here you can see the bean type, and then in bean type there is we don't need to create an indicator. So the bean type which we have created already, we can use that also. So any 10, so we have RK, 100 and RK, right? So if I create new one, let's say 200K kg, okay, save it. So I created 100, so we have 10, 100 and 200, 10, 100 and 200, okay. Now again, we just need to maintain the sequence same way that, okay, in my warehouse, in the RK10, if the bean type is 100K, then it should go to the 100K, sequence number 1. If there is no any bean available with 100, then it should go to the which 200K, 200 kg, okay. sequence, and then both the bean type we just need to assign. So here we have two entry. One, we have to create sequence, and second, we have to assign the storage bean type to the storage type. Okay, means in our in the warehouse in RK10, right? So 100K and 200K is allowed. RK10 like this. Okay, and then again we need to maintain this in product master, right? Same way like indicator. So this is only indicators. If you go to the product master, right, see storage bean type. So over here we can maintain 100K, and then because of the sequence, our system will do, system will try to find again with the A, sorry, with 100K. So we have already lots of the beans. So what I will do, I will not save this task, just cancel the task, and again only for one bean, right, I will assign the 100K. For rest I will remove it. So we can just reset over here. Okay, and save. Okay, and then again for one bean, for example this 100K, save. So we have only one bean. Okay, again, and if you check now, it will again will go to that particular bin 100103E. See, 100103E, right? And again, if you want to create the scenario where we don't have any bin with that 100K storage type, so again the same process, just remove this assignment. It's just like, okay, we don't have any empty bin, or as per the put away rule. So for D now, if I maintain 200K, save it. Okay, if you check now, it will go to that bin. Okay, just a moment, I'm getting one call. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is this clear strategy?
हेलो
Hello, yes.
सर, एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा था कि आपने 100 और 200 का पिन अलग अलग टाइम असाइन किया, मतलब अलग अलग टाइम वो चेंज किया सेटिंग। तो हम
Mm-hmm.
दोनों टाइम एक ही टाइम दोनों नहीं कर सकते क्या? मतलब जब हम पुट अवे करते हैं तो सिस्टम फाइंड आउट करा कि 100 का अगर है अवेलेबल तो 100 में डाल दीजिए, अगर नहीं है अवेलेबल तो 200 में डाल दीजिए, ऐसा।
Yeah, but already task created tha, right? For 100. So even if you try to now, for example, so let's see D. Now I want to remove this, right? I will select this. I will say reset, right? I will save it. System will give me the error. Okay,
ओके,
because ये
मतलब
use
100
हो रहा है.
केजी का।
No,
ओके
no. So
ओके।
when there is a system using this bean, see, यहाँ पे system वो bean use कर रहा है as per the
हाँ
strategy, right? So that's why
हाँ हाँ।
system will not allow us to change any master data, which is right, right? अगर let's say बीच में backend में किसने कुछ change कर दिया, bean का master data पूरा change कर दिया, then in that case that bean is wrong, right?
ओके ओके।
That's the
गॉट इट
reason
सर।
system won't allow us to change anything unless and until we don't have any task, open task. Means if you now close it, will not save the task. Even अगर task be created है only, so in that case also system will not allow us. Right now, if you check now, if I try to save, yeah, now see, because कोई task open नहीं है.
ओके ओके, समझ गया सर।
Okay.
थैंक यू।
Any other question? Sachin, Ashok. Hello, am I audible?
हाँ yes sir, you're audible.
Yeah, clear?
हाँ
Any
good.
question? Okay. Okay, then we'll stop. Okay, please.
सर हेलो
Yeah, yes.
सर वो मेरा डाउट देखिए मैंने नंबर एज असाइन किया है सर सब पूरा
ठीक है. I guess just provide me the delivery number or the warehouse number. Let me check.
ओके
Okay,
PM01
PM01. Okay, okay.
सर मेरा एक डाउट था,
Okay.
अभी मैं ऑर्गेनाइज स्ट्रक्चर बना है EWM का, तो
Mm-hmm.
बाकी का जो है वो तो वेंडर मटेरियल क्रिएशन में वो सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कुछ मांग रहा है, वो बीपी।
Yeah, just follow the recording. जिसमें जो डाला है ना, मेंटेन किया है ना, just maintain that. No need to create like sales related data.
तो सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वहाँ पे आपके वीडियो में मैंने देखा, वहाँ पे
Mm-hmm.
आपने डाला था, और जब मटेरियल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो
Yes, वही डाली है जो मैंने डाला था, MK01 I guess.
ओके, लेकिन वो मेरे प्लांट को असाइन, मैंने प्लांट अलग असाइन किया है ना कंपनी कोड, तो
कंपनी कोड
उसको
अलग असाइन किया?
नहीं नहीं प्लांट।
No, plant is fine. So, but that plant is assigned to one company code only, right? Which is, I guess, MK01 or something like that.
ओके
Okay. If not, do one thing. Just provide me your plant number, right,
ओके
in chat. Let me check.
ओके
सर हेलो
Yes. Yeah, I got your message.
मैंने आपको मैसेज किया है सर
Yes. Okay. Then we'll stop and then we'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
ओके सर थैंक यू
Yeah. Yeah.
गुड
Thank you.
नाइट
Bye. Good night.